All right, it's 8:47 at night. I'm going to put the timer on. 40 minutes, time dry. Get it a full 40 here. 40 minutes, time dry, and on. See this watch here. 8:47. Here we go. We'll see what happens here. Okay, we can see it's been well over an hour, and the dryer is still stuck. It sticks at about the 20-minute mark, and it will stay there indefinitely. It'll run like this for hours if I don't turn it off. Refrigerator door. The seal in the bottom here is not attached. This is what is preventing the door from closing properly. As I said, it does close, it just doesn't close properly.